Welcome back to Mark ERC. On the turntable today we have the vintage Tamiya Grasshopper 2, release date 9th of August 1988, and was model number 58074. It was like Tamiya's entry level 1/10 scale off-road buggy, rear wheel drive, had a 540 silver cam motor in the kit. The motor was mounted at the back of the buggy to put a bit of weight over to the rear wheels. Basic bathtub chassis, sealed rear gearbox. The original Grasshopper 2 had a mechanical speed control, and it was a really good first time kit. Solid rear axle with friction shocks and independent wishbone front suspension with simple springs that used to bounce around all over the place when you run the buggy. It was quite funny. Big front bumper. Had rib front tyres with an 8-spoke wheel and a spiked rear tyre with an 8-spoke wheel. And there wasn't a lot of difference between the Grasshopper 2 and the original Grasshopper, apart from the rear suspension and a slightly different motor. Had a hard ABS plastic body and was a good fun buggy and can handle a mild brushless motor as long as you don't go too mad. You can get quite a few hop-ups for these now, and there are quite a few different bodies, quite a few different buggies that share the same chassis. They still sell them now, so it goes to show, you know, RC enthusiasts are still enjoying building and running the Grasshopper 2. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. And if you could like and subscribe, it'd be really cool for a new channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.